Fans already saving for the iPhone 16 need to know what to base their buying decision on. Here are 5 must-know points to get the biggest bang for your buck. Buying the iPhone 16 is not such a simple decision. You must consider taking the next step and basing your purchase decision on logic and need. The Apple iPhone 16 is coming in just a few months, and already fans are saving up money to buy this extremely expensive, likely to be a tech marvel packed with AI smartphone. It goes without saying that if you flash the iPhone wherever you go, you set up an image of a person who appreciates outstanding tech done with vision and a customer-first approach. However, all those who will be rushing to buy need to first ensure they are purchasing the phone for the right reasons, or just to be among the first to own and flaunt a newly launched iPhone. After all, gadgets are supposed to be bought to serve certain purposes. If that is the case, you must give the leaks about the iPhone 16 a long and searching look in order to really derive satisfaction. So, when you're out to buy a smartphone, here are 5 things that you must focus on without fail. This will also help you identify the iPhone that will serve your best interest, and you will end up with the right model at the right price. 1. The first thing to do is to check the storage capacity requirement of yours. Do you need a 128 GB, 256 GB, or the humongous 512 GB? Yes, people buy those too. If you are a camera-happy, gaming-fixated, multiple apps visiting, and frequent video recording kind of person, then you will definitely require a very big storage capacity. While you could go for cloud, that often feels like such a nuisance. Most people would prefer to simply plug and play and not go all over the place to save their latest work of art. 2. Storage is done. Let us take a look at the cameras. If you are a selfie-conscious and point-and-shoot kind of person, then you would probably be happy with a plain vanilla iPhone 16 variant. However, if you're thinking of doing some really nifty camera photography and videography to really take full advantage of the standout cameras that are likely to be rolled out in the upcoming iPhone, then you need to take a look at the iPhone 16 Pro variants. 3. Hate to charge the phone after every few hours of using it? Then you need a battery pack that will last you through the day. Again, if you use the phone for long stretches, then you may need to go for the bigger phones. But do remember that the more resources you consume of the phone, the more juice it will draw from the battery, and the quicker it will dry up, no matter if it is the most premium model, the iPhone 16 Pro Max. 4. Price conscious but want a premium phone? If you're on a budget and don't want professional level gadgets, then you are better off with the iPhone 16. For that matter, even iPhone 16 Plus will do, if you like your phones big in your hands and have pockets to match. 5. Finally, we come to the point of the purchaser being a multitasker. Jobs nowadays require you to wear multiple hats. Considering the varied needs of such a person, the smartphone will have to be able to offer the kind of versatility to achieve a huge number of things. Yes, we are talking about its ability to become a really helpful assistant in the true sense of the word. In the age of artificial intelligence, your smartphone must give you full help to achieve your professional goals. In that aspect again, while the plain vanilla iPhone 16 will probably do, but the iPhone 16 Pro and iPhone 16 Pro Max are likely to be the best problem solvers of them all. Now go figure. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for the latest in tech news. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.